Hello friends, in this episode we are just going to discuss a very important medical event which happened in the first week or second week of the June on the Euro Cup when Denmark midfielder Christian Eriksen stumbled while playing a football match between Denmark and Finland. And as he was rushing towards the goal, he suddenly collapsed on the ground, and all the players rushed towards him, but they found there was no sign. Immediately, a team doctor came and they found there was no pulse, very feeble pulse, but there was no sign of respiration. They started immediately chest compression, and a defibrillator was requisitioned, and he was defibrillated immediately, and by God's grace he was revived within 10 minutes. So those 10 minutes were very scary as far as the team doctor was concerned, and the team members and the whole spectators as well as the world watching that important match. Why it was so? Because it was not like he was not examined. He was a perfectly healthy 29 years old man. He was examined because he was playing for the Inter Milan, that is the Italy best football team, because they are the important two teams, this Inter Milan as well as the AC Milan, which are fighting every year for the title. And there was no question that he might not have been examined for his problem, medically examined for his cardiac problems or any morbidities. He must have been examined by the doctors, but still he was allowed to play because he was declared as a medical fit person. But what happened? That is a story that is very important, and we have to, as a medical professional, we have to learn so many things from this story. Now, as we know, in medical science, medical teaching, the athletes on the field are very prone to such type of events. We saw and we heard a lot of times players just collapsing on the ground, and the reason we just couldn't find. There are few medical conditions which make a person prone to sudden cardiac arrest, because when he was revived, Christian Eriksen was revived, he is coming into that category of the survivor of the cardiac arrest or survivor of the sudden cardiac death, that is SACD. So, which are the conditions which makes a person prone to having such type of condition or such type of accident? There are conditions like hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, right ventricular rhythmogenic dysplasia, then myocarditis, coronary artery disease, abnormal origin of the coronary arteries, especially left coronary artery from the right coronary sinus. And recently, as the COVID, lot of people are suffering from post-COVID myocarditis, resulting into the tachycardia, irregular beats, and sudden cardiac death. Was Christian Eriksen suffering from any of such disease? So far, there is no hint that he was having such disease. Then there are other causes like channelopathies, means that long QT intervals, Brugada syndrome, and some other condition which can lead to sudden cardiac arrest. So, as a medical person, when we examine such patients after his arrest, we should go into these etiology, and we should work on all these things, especially ECG, echocardiography, coronary angiography, and ultimately so many times we don't find any cause, and ultimately we have to put the patient on ICD, that is intracardiac defibrillator, as this was done in Christian Eriksen case. So the take home lesson, take home message from this whole episode is, as a doctor we should be very confident about the basic life support, advanced cardiac life support training, because this is the training which help us to revive a patient of sudden cardiac arrest. There should not be any shortcomings as far as our training is concerned regarding the chest compression, how much chest we have to compress, and the arrays of series of drugs. We should be always ready with all those in our armament. And further work of family history as well as the genetic, that counseling, so many things goes into the whole work of such patients. And ultimately then if we don't find any cause for patients, this is ICD is one of the mode of the treatment. I am sure you must have liked this episode. In case you have liked it, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.